So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure your network adapters have been actually enabled. So in my case, it's disabled for me. So now I'm gonna right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that your network adapters are actually enabled. And now for the second method, you're gonna head over to search again and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. Now you're gonna find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next method, you're gonna head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're gonna scroll down till you find WLAN autoconfig. Here it is, double click on that. You're gonna set the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running and then click on OK. Now you're gonna right click on it and then click on restart. You're gonna restart this, see if that works for you. And now for the next method, you're gonna head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it and then click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now gonna restart your computer automatically in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.